So let's try to understand uh, the history of Western philosophy concerning uh, two sides that we always can find in the history of the philosophy. So, if we think in the authors, in the philosophers that we already studied here in this introduction to the Western philosophical way, we will remember that in this side we have the physis, a material world, right? And at this other side we have the idea, the formal world. And here we are talking about Plato, right? And the being Plato will have more degrees of being and totally the idealistic degree of a full being here in this ideal world, this formal world, and less degree of being in this material, in this physical world. Of course, in the ancient philosophy, Aristotle will contest this and say, no, look, the material world also have a high degree of being, and the being has many causes here. But what I want to bring is that this division here, right, this tension here. And when we go to modernity, we can think in the issue of liberty, right, and the necessity. So, the material world in the modernity, we have the necessity, the causality, right? The classic physics, and this side the liberty. The liberty of the sovereignty, that there's no one ruling. The sovereign is the one that rules itself, right? So we have here Leviathan, right, as a being created by the human being, and that in its essence has liberty. We will come back in this issue further to talk about the being of the artificial intelligence. When we go further, we have here the theoretical reason and the practical reason. And here at this side we have the possibility of universal ethics. So we are talking in how we works with the liberty. We are talking of Kant. And this theoretical reason to know this material world, the nature, right? To know the nature. And here we arrive in the Heidegger's philosophy. And we have the absurdity of the life with the existentialism of Sartre, for example. We have the entity, right? And here we have the being, the design. And the openness, right? So, here we have Heidegger. Here we have at this side, right? The ideal, the formal, the liberty, the practical reason, the design. And at this side, the entity, the nature, causality, physics, material world. So at the sides we have an opposition to this side, right? That happened in all the history of the philosophy. And here we can see the dialectics in these movements.